If you removed your helmet on Mars, you wouldn't just suffocate, your blood would begin to boil. And we still want to live there. Mars is a frozen desert. No oxygen, no oceans, no life. Yet agencies like NASA and companies like SpaceX are preparing to send humans there. Not for a visit, to stay. But here's the real question. Are we building the future or designing the most expensive coffin in history? Mars has a 24.6-hour day. Seasons, frozen water. It's the most Earth-like planet we can realistically reach. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Earth is not guaranteed forever. Asteroids, climate instability, self-destruction. If humanity stays on one planet, extinction is one bad century away. Mars is insurance, but insurance costs. Average temperature, minus 60 degrees Celsius. Atmosphere, 95% carbon dioxide. Air pressure, less than 1% of Earth's. That means exposed human skin wouldn't just freeze, it would swell. Moisture would vaporize. You cannot breathe, you cannot adapt, you cannot survive unprotected. Mars is not harsh, it is lethal. Mars has no global magnetic shield. Radiation from space hits the ground directly. Long-term exposure increases. Cancer risk, DNA damage, infertility, you wouldn't see the radiation. You'd just slowly pay for it. Step 1. Don't live on the surface. Plans suggest building underground, possibly inside lava tubes. Why? Natural shielding, temperature stability, storm protection. We would recycle air and water constantly, grow food hydrant buildings from Martian soil. On Mars, survival isn't optional maintenance, it's constant effort. To even attempt this, we need heavy transport. SpaceX is developing Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry massive payloads to Mars. The strategy: lower launch cost, increase cargo, build fast, because here's what nobody says: enough. Space travel fails, often, and Mars doesn't forgive mistakes. Mars' gravity is 38% of Earth's. Sounds manageable. It isn't. In reduced gravity, muscles shrink, bones weaken. The heart adapts downward. We've seen this on astronauts in orbit. Now imagine growing up like that. Would a child born on Mars ever survive Earth's gravity? We don't know. That's not inspiring. That's experimenting. No long-term human reproduction has ever occurred in partial gravity. Would pregnancies be viable? Would development be normal? Would genetic damage accumulate? Colonizing Mars isn't just moving people, it's altering human evolution. Some propose terraforming heat. The planet release trapped gases, thicken the atmosphere, turn red into blue. But current studies suggest Mars lacks enough accessible carbon dioxide to create a stable greenhouse effect. Even if possible, it's generational. You won't see oceans, you'll see domes. 6 to 9 months travel, up to 22 minutes communication delay. If something breaks, Earth cannot respond instantly. No forests, just metal walls and filtered air. Can humans handle isolation that deep? We struggle with loneliness on Earth. Mars amplifies it. Colonizing Mars will cost trillions. It won't start as a paradise. It will start as a high-risk research base. Small crews, extreme discipline, constant danger. Most people imagine Mars as adventure. In reality, it's maintenance. Every day, forever. So can humans live on Mars? Technically, yes, with enough engineering, funding, and biological adaptation. Comfortably, not for a very long time. Mars won't be Earth 2.0. It will be survival mode. But here's the deeper question. If we never attempt it, do we remain a single-planet species forever? Every major leap once looked impossible. Crossing oceans, flying, going to the moon. The planet is waiting, the risk is real, the decision is human.